Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Part 5. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Dilute, verb.
पतला, मिलावट करना, कमजोर.
Make a liquid thinner or weaker by adding water or another solvent to it. Example, bleach can be diluted with cold water. Synonyms, make weaker, weaken, thin out, thin, make thinner, water down, add water to, mix. Antonyms, concentrate. 2. Tortuous, adjective.
पेचीदा, बिलदार, मुश्किल.
Full of twists and turns. Example, the route is remote and tortuous. Synonyms, twisting, winding, curving, curvy, bending, sinuous, undulating, coiling, looping. Antonyms, straight. 3. Apocalyptic, adjective.
कश्फी, इल्हामी.
Describing or prophesying the complete destruction of the world. Example, the apocalyptic visions of ecologists. Synonyms, catastrophic, momentous, ominous, portentous, life and death, serious, grave. Antonyms, unprophetic. 4. Poignant, adjective.
तकलीफ दे, दिलखराश, पुरसर.
Evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. Example, a poignant reminder of the passing of time. Synonyms, touching, moving, sad, saddening, affecting, pitiful, piteous, pitiable, pathetic. Antonyms, cheerful, happy, indifferent, unaffecting. 5. Forebear, noun.
रोके रखना, बाज रखना.
An ancestor. Example, generations of his forebears had lived in London. Synonyms, ancestor, forefather, predecessor, progenitor, father, grandfather, parent, grandparent. Antonyms, descendant. 6. Irrespective, adjective.
बावजूद, बिला लिहाज, कत नजर.
Not taking something into account, regardless of. Example, child benefit is paid irrespective of income levels. Synonyms, regardless of, without regard to / for, disregarding, ignoring, notwithstanding, whatever, no matter what. Antonyms, according to. 7. Congenital, adjective.
खुल्क, पैदाइशी.
Of a disease or physical abnormality, present from birth. Example, a congenital malformation of the heart. Synonyms, inborn, inherited, hereditary, in the blood, in the family, innate, inbred. Antonyms, acquired. 8. Discretionary, adjective.
सवाब दीदी, फराख दिली, सखावत.
Available for use at the discretion of the user. Example, there has been an increase in year-end discretionary bonuses. Synonyms, optional, non-compulsory, voluntary, at one's discretion, up to the individual. Antonyms, compulsory, obligatory. 9. Arbiter, noun.
फैसला करने वाला, काजी.
A person who settles a dispute or has ultimate authority in a matter. Example, the Secretary of State is the final arbiter. Synonyms, adjudicator, arbitrator, judge, umpire, referee, assistant referee, linesman, line judge. Antonyms, fail, reject, disapprove, pass. 10. Depict, verb.
मंजर कशी करना, दिखाना.
Represent by a drawing, painting, or other art form. Example, paintings depicting Old Testament scenes. Synonyms, portray, represent, picture, illustrate, delineate, outline, reproduce, render. Antonyms, hide, conceal, suppress. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.